Hey everyone, this is Shawn Batchelor. Welcome to my project review for MDF1 or week 1. Project is tables, and this is my application right here. So I'll show you how it functions. I pretty much made a table with 21 items. It has a name of a person, the company they work for, and their favorite fruit. It also has an image of that fruit right here. When you click on the cell, it'll load up an expanded view with that image right there and the same information that is passed through properties from the custom cell. I have a close button right here that you can click to move right back to the main screen. I have an edit button right here which you can click. Once you click on edit, you have the option to delete the items using this icon right here. If you select delete, it'll slide across and give you the option to delete. Once you delete it, removes it from both from the array as well as from the table itself. When I excuse me, when you click on edit, it'll change the text of the edit button right here to done, so that you know this is the button you click to complete your editing function. You can also slide to delete. So that's pretty much the app right there. It's fairly simple and it works based on the specifications provided in the assignments. So now let me move over to my code and give you a brief overview. Main storyboard right here. This is the main view, and I have my table view right here, my custom cell with the first name, the full name, company name, the fruit, and the image view. I have a segue right here that transits from the custom cell to the expanded view. It passes through first name, last name, company, image, and fruit, and then I have a close button right here. And the close button closes this expanded view via an unwind segue. This is my view controller header. Nothing too fancy in here. My view controller.m file. Okay, so I have a bunch of headers that I imported right here to allow my code to function. This is the data for my object array, which is 21 objects, and this is the array right here that I created. It's an NS mutable array. I initialize it right here with all the 21 items from the list. This right here is my IB action. Unclick for the edit button. Once you click on the edit button, it toggles editing, and it also changes the text via this conditional statement right here on the active state. This is right here. What I do is remove the selected index from the array and delete the corresponding row from the table. So once you click on editable, it does that. Right here I set the number of rows in the table dynamically based on the count for the array, and then in this method right here, setting up the custom cell for reuse with the objects from the array. Alright, and this is my IB action to unwind the segue back to the main view controller, and it just uses self dismiss view control animated method. This is my prepare for segue right here, and as I said before, it loads up the expanded view via that segue. This is the expanded view header file. I have a few outlets in here. I have a property for the object data array right here, and this is my expanded view.m file. And in this file there's not too much going on. I pass the data through from the custom cells into the expanded view right here using the current person and the properties from that. My custom cell, a few outlets for my custom cells that I defined, and this is my method here that refreshes the cell with the information that's pulled in from the object data array. My custom cell.m file, and again the method defined right here, it says method to refresh custom cell with variables from objects. This is my object data header file. I have a couple properties defined in here, and then my object data.m file, and that's pretty much it. So the application works, runs fine as specified by the code. Sorry, by the assignment rubric. So let me see. I did a short overview of the project and explains what I did for the project. What do I think I could have done better? I still feel like I could, implement a lot more things in the application, like images and all. It was a little tough kind of figuring out how to get most of that to work. So I think I'm going to do a little bit more research and practice so I can understand the details, finer details of getting the application to work. Other than that, it was fairly simple. Not too much more to do with this. So again, it's Shawn Batchelor, and it's week 1 MDF1. This is our Project 1 assignment. Thank you very much for watching.